Welcome to the COS YouTube channel. My name's Rose and this is 8 easy ways to reduce single-use plastic in your office. For more handy how-to guides as well as our range of office products, hop onto our website cos.net.au/cospedia. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe for more. Did you know that humans produce 300 million tonnes of plastic worldwide each year? That is nearly the weight of the entire human population. It is estimated that every year 8 million tonnes of plastic ends up in our oceans, and single-use plastic makes up roughly 50% of this amount. The big problem with plastic waste is that we just don't know how long it will take to break down. Researchers believe it may take 500 years, but many think that plastic can never fully break down, only break up into smaller pieces called microplastics. Right now, these microplastics can be found in our drinking water, in the fish we eat, and in the soil we grow our food in. Scientists think we could be eating as much as a credit card-sized amount of microplastics each week. What are single-use plastics? Single-use plastics are items that are made to be used once or maybe twice and then thrown away. These are items that we use every day for as little as 5 or 10 minutes at a time and then discard. Items like bottles, straws, shopping bags, coffee cups, and takeaway containers are everywhere in our offices as well as our homes. While cheap and convenient, single-use items are doing immense environmental damage right under our noses. But don't worry, it's not difficult to do our bit for the environment. Most of these single-use items can be swapped out for reusable or recyclable alternatives. It's up to us to make a difference. Want to help but don't know where to start? Keep watching for 8 easy ways to reduce single-use plastics in your office or home office. Step 1. Change up your office culture. The first step is to educate and inform your team. People don't alter their behaviour if they don't know better. Make sure that they are aware of what single-use plastics are and what alternatives are available. You could hold a training day or an ongoing program. Communication is key to changing your office culture. Step 2. Provide support and incentives to get involved. Once your team is informed, you may be surprised at how much they will want to get involved. Make sure that your staff feel supported. It helps to feel that you're all working together to make a difference. Provide incentives so that people will stay committed and come up with new, smart ways to help. Some local councils offer programs for businesses. Have a look and see if there's any local incentives that your workplace could be a part of. Step 3. Do a green audit. You might not be aware of exactly what items in your office are single-use and can be replaced with alternatives. Conduct a green audit and find out. Look at your office supplies in the bathrooms and in the kitchen. Identify items which are single-use like stationery, food packaging, cutlery and straws, and replace them with alternatives and dispose of the rest thoughtfully by recycling. Step 4. Implement a single-use plastic ban. This might sound extreme, but it really is the most effective way to make a difference. Many offices ban items which cannot be reused, like water bottles, plastic straws, and coffee cups. Ensure that you do this as a team and decide on alternatives together. Step 5. Provide reusable lunch options. Many people choose the single-use option because other options are not available, but the alternatives are actually not very expensive investment. Many offices provide cups, plates, bowls, metal cutlery and metal straws so that staff don't have to use plastic ones. Some also provide office reusable containers for the staff to use. If you have an on-site cafe, get them involved too. You could even provide company-branded refillable water bottles. If you have a water cooler, use reusable cups or recyclable paper cups instead of disposable plastic ones. This will make it much easier for your team to avoid single-use plastics. Step 6. Let's talk coffee cups. Did you know that one of the biggest culprits of plastic pollution is hidden literally right under our noses? We all love our morning cup of coffee to start the day, but takeaway coffee cups come with a plastic lid, and not only that, they are actually lined with invisible plastic inside. Australians throw away a shocking 2.7 million disposable coffee cups every day. We would never suggest that you go without your coffee, but it's easy to provide reusable coffee mugs or even keep cups for your team. Have a look at your office coffee machine, and if it is a single-use coffee pod machine, either switch machines or use recyclable pods. Step 7. Responsibly source your office supplies. Let's be honest, single-use plastic is everywhere in an office. It's important to look in places like your office packaging, stationery packaging, cleaning supplies, and printers. It could be something as small as the plastic packaging on your printing paper or the printer cartridge itself. Many companies offer greener alternatives like COS's range of eco-friendly office solutions. Check out our website to see more. Step 8. Recycle. We have all heard of reduce, reuse, recycle. Of course, it would take a very dedicated person to completely avoid plastic. Plastic is unfortunately a fact of modern life. That's why it is so important to close the loop and recycle any plastic that you use. Check out your local council program or look for an outside organisation. Many supply companies let you return used items back to the business for reuse and recycling. Implement or improve the waste stream in your office by providing clearly labelled and colour-coded recycling bins with clear instructions on what can be recycled and what can't be. Hold a training day to educate staff on how to recycle. Reducing single-use plastics in your office isn't complicated. With these easy tips, you can get your team involved in making a difference. By working together, we can all do our bit to save the environment. What plastic reduction tips have you implemented in your office? Let us know by commenting below. Happy Plastic-Free July! Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. More information about COS can be found on our LinkedIn page or on cos.net.au. Thanks for watching.